Warren Buffett, best 15 assets that are better than cash in 2023 to retire early. Are you tired of working until you're 65? Warren Buffett has some advice for you. He reveals the 15 best assets to invest in if you want to retire early. Watch now and learn how to build wealth and live the life you've always wanted. Warren Buffett is a successful investor who has been able to navigate through economic storms with unparalleled wisdom and foresight. In 2023, he believes that there are 15 assets that are better than cash for those who dream of retiring early and living a life of financial freedom. These assets include real estate, stocks, bonds, gold, silver, cryptocurrency, art, collectibles, commodities, farmland, private equity, hedge funds, venture capital, angel investing, and intellectual property. Here are the 15 best assets on Buffett's list. S&P 500 Index Funds. Warren Buffett has been an advocate of investing in low-cost index funds such as the S&P 500 Index Funds. These funds offer investors a diversified portfolio of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. By investing in these funds, individuals can enjoy broad exposure to the stock market and benefit from its potential growth over time. Additionally, Buffett has consistently increased his stake in Apple Incorporated over the years, which is well known. Value stocks. Warren Buffett believes in the value investing approach, which involves seeking out stocks that are undervalued by the market. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals and buys them at a discounted price, allowing for potential long-term gains. By focusing on value stocks, investors can potentially benefit from the market's tendency to eventually recognize and correct undervalued assets. Real estate. Warren Buffett has shown interest in real estate as a long-term investment. He believes in the value of owning properties that generate consistent cash flow and appreciate over time. Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's conglomerate, has made significant investments in residential and commercial real estate ventures. One notable example is Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, a subsidiary that provides brokerage services for buying and selling homes. Businesses. Warren Buffett has a keen eye for businesses with strong competitive advantages and long-term growth potential. He looks for companies with solid management teams, durable business models, and reliable cash flows. Berkshire Hathaway owns a vast portfolio of businesses across various industries, including insurance like Geico, utilities like Pacificor, manufacturing like Precision Cast Parts Corporated, and consumer goods like Duracell. Commodities. Warren Buffett has also dabbled in commodities investing, although it is not a major part of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. He has previously invested in silver and even made a significant bet on the price of copper in the 1990s. However, Buffett prefers investing in companies that produce commodities rather than directly investing in the things themselves. For example, Berkshire Hathaway owns large stakes in oil and gas production companies, such as ExxonMobil and Chevron. Bonds. In addition to stocks and businesses, Warren Buffett has also invested in bonds. Bonds are debt instruments issued by companies or governments to raise capital. When an investor purchases a bond, they essentially lend money to the issuer in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of the principal amount at maturity. Buffett has historically favored investing in high-quality bonds, particularly those issued by stable and financially sound companies or governments. He believes that these investments provide a reliable income stream while preserving capital. Precious metals. Warren Buffett has also shown interest in investing in precious metals, particularly gold. Unlike stocks and bonds, which are financial assets, gold is a tangible asset with intrinsic value. Buffett sees gold as a form of insurance against economic uncertainty or inflation. However, it's important to note that Buffett's affinity for precious metals is relatively recent. He has been skeptical about investing in them because they do not generate any cash flow or earnings as businesses do. Annuities. Another investment option that Warren Buffett has mentioned in the past is annuities. Annuities are financial products insurance companies offer, providing a guaranteed income stream for a specific period or the rest of an individual's life. Buffett sees annuities as a way to ensure a reliable income stream while preserving capital. Investors can receive regular payments not dependent on market fluctuations or economic conditions by purchasing an annuity. Life insurance. Another investment option that Warren Buffett has mentioned is life insurance. Life insurance policies provide financial protection to beneficiaries during the policyholder's death. While it may not generate any immediate cash flow or earnings, Buffett sees life insurance as a way to safeguard one's loved ones and provide for their financial security. Buffett believes in purchasing term life insurance policies, which provide coverage for a specific period, such as 10 or 20 years. Preferred stocks. Preferred stocks are a type of stock that combines characteristics of both common stocks and bonds. They typically offer a fixed dividend payment similar to bond interest and have priority over common stockholders when it comes to receiving dividends or assets in the event of liquidation. Warren Buffett prefers stocks as a relatively safer investment than common stocks because of their fixed income. Master Limited Partnerships. MLPs are a type of business structure that combines the tax benefits of a partnership with the liquidity of publicly traded securities. They are commonly found in energy, natural resources, and real estate industries. Warren Buffett has discussed MLPs as another investment option. One advantage of investing in MLPs is their potential for high dividend yields. Real Estate Investment Trust. Real Estate Investment Trust, or REITs, own, operate, and finance income-generating properties such as office buildings, shopping malls, apartments, and hotels. Warren Buffett has shown interest in REITs as another investment option. Investing in REITs allows individuals to gain real estate exposure without purchasing and managing properties directly. One of the main advantages of investing in REITs is their potential for consistent income generation. Infrastructure. Investing in infrastructure is another area where Warren Buffett has shown interest. Infrastructure investments involve putting money into bridges, roads, airports, and utilities. These investments are known for their stability and long-term income potential. Infrastructure assets often have monopolistic characteristics, meaning they can generate steady cash flow over time. For example, toll roads or airports may have limited competition in their regions, allowing them to charge fees or collect rent consistently. Furthermore, infrastructure investments tend to benefit from inflation. Utilities. Water, gas, and electricity providers are essential services that people rely on regardless of economic conditions. As a result, they can pass on any increased costs due to inflation to consumers. It makes attractive investments for those looking for protection against rising prices. Warren Buffett's interest in infrastructure investments is evident through his company Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, gold. Gold is often seen as a haven during times of inflation. As currency's value decreased, investors turned to gold as a store of wealth. Warren Buffett himself has expressed mixed views on gold as an investment. While he acknowledges its historical significance and attractiveness during uncertain economic times, he also points out that gold does not generate income or dividends. He also stresses the importance of investing for the long term and not trying to time the market. Of course, no investment is without risk, so it's important to do your own research before investing in any asset. But if you follow Buffett's advice, you'll be well on your way to retiring early and living a comfortable life. So we hope you like our video. If you do, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such videos.